Sure. Okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. So finally I have Anvesha with me from Dubai and we are recording this on Zoom after all the technical glitch that we had. So Anvesha and we have been friends since 2006. We were very different back down that time. And to start off, I remember Anvesha always one of the girls who would miss her breakfast and straight away rush to the class. She would quickly make
True.
something in the tumbler and she would just gulp it. And I was the one who would always wake up early, go for my
Yeah.
breakfast. And but I was the one who would miss the dinners just because I was trying to lose some weight back there. And all our BIMTech friends knows Anvesha and I had different body frames. You know, she was skinny
Totally.
one,
Totally.
and I was the heavier one.
Super.
And Anvesha, to give a background, I don't have to. She's a beauty pageant. She's won many beauty contests. But somewhere
Dude.
yeah, but somewhere, I think Anvesha did use her track to keep a check on her health. And only recently, when she got her blood test done, she has an amazing corporate journey, shifting to Mumbai, to Dubai, and she's never given up on her career. She's a mother of a beautiful boy, and her struggle has been immense. But like most of the Indian women, like most of us working women, she also did the same thing that she let go of her health parameters until it started hitting her. With her, weight was never an issue, frankly. And I think still it's not a
Yeah.
major issue. It's more because it's hampering her growth, it's more because it's hampering her functioning. And when her blood test came in, I think that's the time she called me, Sonam, something is wrong, and see, this is my reports, and I need to figure out. And then she came in the picture as my client. And frankly, I wasn't happy at all with her routine, the way she's eating, the way she, just not eating, breakfast time nahi hai because she has to drop the son to the school because office login, then this and that. And most of us, ki tarah, she doesn't eat. And that's the reason her a lot of parameters and blood reports are missing. Now I'll pass it on to Anvesha. She'll brief a bit about herself, and then I have few questions to ask to her, and she'll be very happy to answer because I want her to convey to all the women out there who are in corporate that how she is managing coming back to healthy eating and yet managing her superbly hectic life. So to Anvesha, yes.
Hi. So now finally we're chatting here, and it's actually so nice to connect. Yeah. So coming to I have been me, like I have been working since we were just out of college and everything, and I love to work. So right, and honestly, I wasn't really because I was like sort of blessed that I would not put on weight and stuff, and I would honestly take it a little lightly, thinking, yeah, I wouldn't put on. So I would just literally hog on any rubbish. Honestly, I have lived on packet processed food, which everybody knows and everybody discourages me. And on the contrary, I am brought up in a way, to I just love healthy food by default, actually. So the way that it's thanks to my mom, the way we have been brought up is I naturally like veggies and fruits and like boiled stuff. But then in the long run, the way I had been managing and struggling and everything, I mean, skipping meals was like, yeah, okay, I don't have time. Oh, I forgot my lunch today. Oh, no, I forgot my breakfast. So it was always like that. And I think the worst habit that I had was, skipping, like sleeping really late and waking up really late in turn. So this is where it would completely mess up the whole routine. So that's where it is definitely hectic, especially after I have Mumbai was still okay, and even though I would eat out too much, like way too much. So and it had eventually affected. I mean, I cannot remain just just being um you know on the right way doesn't necessarily mean that I am healthy, which
Right,
I learned this lesson just now after the reports came and I reached out to you,
yeah,
and the doctor was very serious about it. So,
right,
and it
right.
is like, even with my weight, I had knee issues and all. So that is how it was. So my life has been like, I don't know how many times I must have injured myself, or I was on the bed with a knee injury and all these things. So I was always like, I would always still take things lightly and eat, yeah, okay, fine, so, and after shifting to Dubai, I think I have only eaten processed food. I think I have literally, I used to literally now. So I think after, I think I had, and I was very sure that I am not the kind of person I will ever be able to go on a diet. I am very sure. I have been sure. I think I must have reached out to you like 1,000 times earlier saying that, so now I want to lose weight. So, but then, it would be like, I would never be that serious and think like, it's okay, let me just try something, do all these, read it online and do all these things. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
Absolutely does not work. So, and for
So I'll ask
anybody
you a
else,
few
please don't do
questions.
it.
Yeah, no, I'll ask you a few questions. So what is the biggest change that you have realized after, we are planning diet meal plans for you? So what is one change that you feel that you're doing right now?
The major change, Sonam, is that it is doable.
Right.
Accepting, and the thing is, it is easy. It is not that, you're like making me like literally starve or anything, and I'm having to drink some weird tonic and all that. Absolutely no. So it is easy. It is all within what I eat. It is just that shift to, I used to eat more of this, now I eat more of this. So, it is not like I'm like, I'm not mixing the wrong things, and I'm not eating completely off all these processed food. And it is definitely not difficult. And I instantly, I would say, the first week, I literally struggled to finish off a few things in the house and all that, and I couldn't follow it properly. And gradually it came in place. And then I just automatically started feeling light, and I feel light, I feel more energetic. I don't feel exhausted and tired like earlier. Like I used to be all the time exhausted.
Yeah.
I'll be tired. I would not be even interested to, do like something very basic. So I think that is so important now. So versus, and I have understood the need of, having to stick to your timings. You need to be very particular about when you're eating, what you're eating. You cannot just go on. So these were like really big mistake, all these binge eating and all of that. And discipline, the major thing also, Sonam, is what I have learned after I started following your diet is, it is that discipline. So, and it is definitely not difficult. And my mom would keep on telling me, my husband would keep on telling me, you should do something about this. But doesn't really happen till the time somebody really tells you, okay,
Mentoring
this
you.
is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like completely thoroughly mentoring, checking. Okay, wait, I like every Tuesday there's a message for someone. Wait, I'm like, okay, she remembers. I'm like, okay, fine, I'm going now.
Yeah. And are you
So,
still managing to doing
yeah.
any kind of exercise or any walks? Is it happening or no?
Walk, I will tell you very honestly, given the kind of work life I have, I try to do something in the evening a little while I'm playing with my son, and he is more encouraged to be doing exercise because he does it at school.
Right.
But what
Right.
I am managing is walking for sure. I am
Right.
trying, instead of say I'm taking the steps, I'm taking stairs,
Hmm.
and I'm trying to walk as much as I can. And then, I've sort of set reminders to ping me like, now it's time to stand up, walk a little. And
Right.
also, so this is important.
Hmm.
And try and do things standing, maybe. That is another thing that, even if I'm working on my laptop, so what I try to do now is like
Hmm.
stand and do it for some time,
Right. Correct.
right? So these kind of small things. So I'm taking it, like, honestly speaking, I'm taking it really slow
Slow.
in
Yeah.
terms of being completely into it and being
Hmm.
completely into fitness and all. So I
Hmm.
have done, honestly speaking, I've done it all, like, not out of choice. Like gym,
Yeah.
I'm not a gym person at all.
Right.
you know
Right.
and
Right.
even if I had to do during these pageants and all, during Miss Assam, Miss Northeast, those were like, I had to do it. So it
Right.
was compulsory. So I used to just do it. So,
Right.
and then I never really enjoyed it. I just love to dance. So, So
Okay, also
that's
I wanted
how.
to share this experience yesterday when I gave you a detox and you were like, detox has food, and then it was so funny. And then you were like, detox doesn't mean starvation. You're like, I can't do a detox because I can't starve. And I'm like, read, Monday has food. It's just the
I'm like,
name.
I'm like wondering. So yeah, so I just couldn't believe it. Like you asked me to eat for a detox, really? So like anywhere, everywhere I see it is like, okay, detox, don't eat, just drink this, and then the whole day you starve.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so I was honestly surprised. So that's why I asked you. I was like Sunday, and then it is written Nietzsche. She said Sunday detox and Nietzsche khana likha hai. Like what? And of
Yes.
all these things, my favorite thing to eat.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So I was like, okay, that is detox. Okay, that's great. I love my detox.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean these misconceptions, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
which we learn online.
Yeah.
So I don't know how many things we have tried doing online, following, and of
Yeah.
course doesn't work because you cannot do this and then expect this big result. So that's
Right.
what we're doing it all wrong. So that's where
Right.
we need that guidance.
Right, right, right. So, see, the entire idea, I mean, once we put this across, is to convey all the people out there that, just don't go and Google up. Like, Anvesha is my friend, and yet she took couple of years, maybe more than a couple of years to come and
Yeah,
approach
so
me.
many.
She was still choosing to go on internet and find out things to, correct her eating patterns. But, when you have someone on your head, they can plan it better for you, and, they can plan it understanding what your lifestyle is. So like Anvesha would keep telling me that, this is what she like. She's been asking me to give her Rajma. I said, okay, fine, you can have your Rajma. Yeah. So yeah. And and plus because there was a shift from Mumbai to Dubai, and in that 1 week, I think she did gain a kilo, but that wasn't like a weight thing. That was more like water retention. You're traveling, there is change of
Voting. Oh yeah,
time,
that is a big
you know
change.
yeah. So and then we Indian women get upset about it. Oh, I've gained weight. So eventually either we'll not eat, we'll starve the entire day, and raat ko straight away we'll eat, or we would just do random stuff. So the entire idea to bring Anvesha on board today is that she is one of the classic examples, somebody who's well versed, who's traveled world, and yet she was ending up eating so much of processed food. And of course it affects not only your blood reports, it affects your skin and hair as well. And by doing small changes, just small changes, just managing your time, sleeping on time, making sure to eat the right food, you will come back to your weight targets. You will be able to correct all your nutrition level, because right now at this age, frankly, it is not about weight. It is about how healthy you are from inside. What kind of food are you putting inside? And nobody will
Yeah.
stop you from eating your grilled chickens and tandoori chicken and fish and whatever. It's just the right way that in which you have to eat. So yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
anything else, Anvesha, that you want to really convey? And because I know you have a busy day and we were short on time,
Yeah.
convey few things.
So definitely, so one major change also that I see is I never knew these things, these words called like water retention, bloating. Like, what does it do? What happens when things like that happen? And then suddenly this time in my trip to Mumbai, and I was, I met Priyanki and everything. And even she was trying to tell me, she was like, okay, you need to be serious now,
Yeah.
right? And a lot of times, even if my mom is telling me like all the time, you eat too much sugar, you should stop. Like, how much sugar can you eat? I wouldn't. It doesn't. All of that is like, okay, fine, it's okay. My weight is under control. It's okay. But that is not the thing. I mean, I just look at myself and then I look at all these tires that I have gained. Like, I think every every year I gain one tire. So that is what shows you're not healthy. The skin, I think, is the biggest thing that reflects. My mom always used to say, your skin talks about your health. And
Yep.
she would be really worried if I get pimples. So the major difference, I don't have any new pimples on my face,
Yeah.
and it has become clearer. I don't have like, I would literally, there was a time they were like full of pimples. Like I would have like, I don't know. I
Breakout.
was like, where am I getting? Yeah, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't figure out what is happening. So
Yeah.
now I see so many changes. And then that also without letting go my fish, my chicken, what kind of a non-veg eater I am. Right. And that is where I think,
Yeah.
it is important. I wouldn't say there is no effort. There is effort.
There
Of
is an
course, you have
effort.
to make
Yes.
effort
Yes.
for everything. But then the minute you start seeing so many positive changes, there is no reason not to do it.
No.
Right. There's no reason not to follow. And I think gradually you start. So I am very hopeful. I used to be this person who used to just love salads and love boiled stuff and all that. And somewhere down the line, it all got sort of diluted. I started eating all these fried stuff and all, and which I still don't like though. But it is just because, of the. So now I am coming back. I'm trying to come back to all of that and be back in like, I think it is what it needs to get inside your head, that this is what I should be eating. This is not right. So even if it's fine, okay, on indulge in something, I think on and off it is okay. I think that also, I think you would allow me and you would like fit it into the meal and let me and let me indulge there. So that is how I think, definitely. And all of that, I feel like even if anyone, like any one of us, there is that definitely it is tough, but then I think it is more that we try and make those tough things focus on what is so tough too much, rather than what is doable, right? So that is what I think is very important to focus on. Even if it is a little, there's a little possibility. So because like I know, right, everybody around and about advices, it is like, Rachid would keep telling me, do stretching. My mom had been like forever saying do exercise and all, and and she would be particular, at least she would go walk and stuff. So now it is all sort of coming back. I can like hear them. I can like, while I am looking at what you have been following up with me on, and them like it's coming back and it is sinking in. So I think that is there. So all thanks to you. And I think a lot of people have been telling me. So people have ever recommended or said that, I think, you can check, my friend, she's my closest friend. And, you can check with her, she's good. And they come back and it was like one of these incidents I'll never forget. She says, I was like, she'd put on a lot of baby weight. And then I was like, yeah, I have a friend, Sonam. I think I had shared her this thing. So just check, no, and you can check she's good and all. And she tells me, she's like, "Usi ne to kam kara hai." I was like, "Are you serious?" I'm like, "Oh, I didn't know you know her already." So she was like, "Yeah." She was like, and it is important. And I had her. She was the first person, that I came across whom I was like sort of recommending, who again knew you, took the plan. I've seen a lot of our friends, in fact. And I think it is just these things and having to accept. I think that is all it takes. And
yes, it's just about self-commitment, it's just about
that's true.
self-commitment. And I'm so glad you're on board, and we're trying to work it out for you, keeping all your parameters in line, and slowly we'll get you there. So
yeah, very soon then I'll be posing with my flat tummy and all.
Great. Thank you so much, Anvesha. And I'll post it soon, and then we can answer questions, if people post any questions. This is not how we wanted it. So maybe we can just...
I know, right?
Maybe we should have shot it when you were in India, but I think it just didn't happen. Maybe next time when you are here, or maybe you can just check at your end. Yes, that, because internet does say that Dubai doesn't allow online live streaming. So just check if it's possible. Otherwise, I'm going to post this one, and we will shoot again. Okay.
Thank you
so much.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.